Welcome to Norton Road in Heysham, a well-located and low-maintenance investment opportunity in a practical coastal setting. This part of Heysham sits close to Morecambe and offers easy access to local shops, schools and regular bus routes, making day-to-day living simple for tenants. The Sandyland seafront is within easy reach for walks along the promenade, while road links into Lancaster and the M6 make it a convenient base for commuters. This first floor apartment benefits from its own private ground floor entrance, giving it a real sense of independence, something tenants really value. Inside, the property has been updated in the last 18 months, creating a fresh modern interior that's ready to let. The living room is a generous space with clearly defined lounge and dining areas, finished in neutral tones. The kitchen, refitted in May 25, features modern units, contrasting worktops, integrated cooking appliances and space for additional white goods, a practical and attractive setup. The door bedroom is a comfortable size and includes fitted mirrored wardrobes, providing excellent storage. The bathroom, also updated in May 25, is finished with a modern suite, including a bath with shower over, wash basin, storage and WC. Externally, the property benefits from allocated parking space and additional space to the rear for a private storage shed, along with access to a shared courtyard. From an investment point of view, this is a very straightforward setup. The property is leasehold with a peppercorn ground rent of just £9.50 per year, and importantly, no service charge, helping keep ongoing costs to a minimum. Now for the figures. The asking price is £110,000 and based on the condition and location, it could achieve a rental income of at least £675 per calendar month or £8,100 annually, giving a gross yield of approximately 7.4%. Investors should obviously consider all other costs for their net yield. For more information or to arrange a viewing, please do click on the link below or give us a call on 01524 843322. With its modern finish, private entrance and low running costs, Norton Road is a strong and simple buy-to-let opportunity in Heysham.